Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you how to remove wrinkle from the cloth in Photoshop. First, open your image in Photoshop, then background layer copy. Rename layer low frequency and high frequency. Press Ctrl key, select layer and click on the group icon. And rename group frequency and hide the high frequency layer. Select low frequency layer, then go to the filter menu, click on the blur to Gaussian blur and radius 10 or 15. Then OK and check the high frequency layer. Then go to the image menu, click on the apply image. Layer low frequency, blending, subtract, opacity 100, scale, change blending mode normal to linear light. Select mixer brush tool from the toolbar. White 19, load 75, mixer 19, glow 15 or 20. And click on the clean brush. Alter key, choose sample color and remove this. I do this. Select paste tool from the toolbar and remove this. I do this. Now we remove wrinkle from the cloth. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, comment and subscribe for more videos.